In a small office, a bold idea began to take shape. Silicon Valley was rising and disruption was in the air. Then came the Roadster, electric, fast, and unexpected. Beneath it, a motor spun with silent precision. The age of gasoline quietly faced its challenger. Wall Street watched, uncertain but curious.
Tesla,
On stage, the vision was clear.
innovations will accelerate the
Electric would
world's
win.
transition to clean energy. The latest
Investors
projections are
leaned
concerning.
in, sensing
We need to
something
address the
different.
variables. Agreed. Let's review the scenario. Let's proceed.
Inside the factory, machines began building the future. Headlines declared the electric era had begun. But ambition met reality on the factory floor. The financial crisis shook the global economy. Late at night,
future
the
is being
weight of
built right
survival
there.
grew heavier.
Every light a new idea.
Cash was burning and time was running out. Yet the Roadster kept moving forward. Rockets launched, proving impossible goals were possible.
We must invest in new
Inside
tech to
tense
stay ahead,
boardrooms,
but the risks
hard
are too high
decisions
right
were
now.
made.
The bigger risk is doing nothing.
Production restarted, louder and stronger. In the dark, the Tesla emblem still glowed. Then the Model S arrived and everything changed. The Model S redefined what luxury could be. A screen replaced buttons, the future felt digital. Hands lifted from the wheel, autonomy had begun. Gigafactories arose, vast and unstoppable. Batteries became the new engine of power. Markets responded, belief turned into value. Success brought a new level of influence. Falcon wings opened, bold and unforgettable. Charging stations stretched across highways. Tesla now stood at the center of the EV revolution. Shanghai marked the beginning of global scale. Berlin followed, engineering precision in motion. Ships carried electric ambition across oceans. Then came Cybertruck, radical and unapologetic. Crowds reacted, shocked, divided, captivated. Full self-driving moved from concept to reality. Custom AI chips powered intelligent machines. Cities became testing grounds for autonomy. Even trucks transformed under electric force. And through it all, leadership remained relentless. Robotics entered the conversation. Machines began learning to move like humans. Solar energy expanded the electric ecosystem. Homes stored power with quiet confidence. Around the world, adoption accelerated. Smart cities began forming around clean mobility. Vehicles moved together, connected and aware. The horizon reflected a new industrial era. The emblem shone, no longer questioned. The rise was complete, but the mission continues.